Guys, I wanted to show you these laundry detergent sheets that I received from the company. These have been what I've switched to using for washing my clothes, and I've been really happy with the product. You can read all about like the different benefits for it, whether it be for the environment or how it is safe. But personally, my experience is that it smells really nice. It gives like a nice scent. This is the ocean breeze scent to my clothes, but it's not like overpowering. I like a little bit of a smell, but nothing like too intense. It also, in one box, you get this like sheet, a stack of sheets like this, and the laundry detergent is in here. It's compatible for all different types of washer and dryer. I mean, washing machines. It doesn't have to be like a front loader or an HE. It could be either or. It gives the directions on how to use it. You can use one sheet, you can cut it in half, you can even do it in a fourth, or you can dissolve it in water and use it for like hand washing. It's really nice. It smells good. I also am appreciative that it's paraben free, phosphate free, dye free, chlorine free, and it's not messy. It doesn't spill when you're measuring or anything like that. It's just super simple and straightforward with like a nice scent to it, and definitely keeps my clothes nice and clean for what we've experienced.